Okay, today we're gonna be installing the glass on the Silverado crew cab. What I'm gonna start is removing the panel. Gotta remove these P's and the lock also, and the window switch. And let me get them off and I'll get you back on. Okay, got them pieces removed. And I'll take my knife 30 seconds. Where you can see, and have a bolt here. The handle. And the one down here at the bottom of the door. Okay, done out the way. What you want to do is lift the panel and it comes right off. The clip is on the back that holds it. And they clip in these holes. Okay, with the panel removed, you can remove the plastic out the way. Okay, I reconnected my window switch and I lower it down a little bit so I can clean out the window track. Okay, get all the broken glass out of there. Make sure you get all the broken glass out. You don't want a piece of broken glass to break your new glass. I don't know if they actually break it, but better be safe than sorry going through this much work. Okay, window tray clean. This is to remove the window seal. And let's see. Okay, with the window seal, I just stuck a nail on there that pried it right up. I might not need to remove the outer window seal. I'm gonna try to get it in with just that one removed first. With this one removed. I got my broken glass out of here. Let me grab the window and set it in. See if I need to remove it or not. Remove the weather stripping around the outer edge of the window. And I set it in through the back side. And I just need to get my weather stripping back in so it can line up and I can tighten Got the clamp bolts and put the door panel back on. One second. Got my weather scripting back in, my weather seal. And push the all over here. What I'm do not is break the window. Okay. Now I'm just gonna tighten my clamp bolts and replace my door panel. Make sure the one is all the way up before you start tightening the bolt. You don't want it too tight. Okay. All the way down. All the way up. That's it. I'm just gonna remove my switch and start replacing my door panel. And this is okay. Pressing the plastic back on. And let's take my door panel. Make sure ain't no more broken glass in it. Yeah, when you get down to this piece, you want to make sure you get oriented the right way. There's a slot in the back where this fits into, so you want to slide it in. And you see, this part goes in first, then this part snaps in, like so. And there you go. Do it lock. Do it on the outside. And good to go.